Hey, boys and girls in video land, it's Lou Bortone, your video godfather. And I wanted to give you a heads up on an incredible new feature in Descript.com that's out now. And we want to take a look at that and test it. By the way, I'm doing a new class for discovering Descript, and I'll show you how to do all this stuff in my class that starts on August 1st. You can see the link down here. Now we're going to test out the new feature in Descript.com called eye contact. Now, I've been looking at the camera, forcing myself to look at the camera basically because my screen's down there. But if I'm reading a script or if I'm looking down at the screen the whole time, we're going to see how Descript does the eye contact function to make it look like you're looking at the camera, even when you're not looking at the camera. Now, this isn't going to work if you're doing radical, like looking way over there, but if you're basically looking at the screen, or maybe your eyes are darting over a little bit to the left, the new feature in Descript should use AI to bring your eyes back up to the screen, to the camera where they should be. So here is me looking at the camera for real. Here's me looking down at the screen. So we'll see. Again, I don't know that it's going to work with radical movements. It can't be like, hey, but if you're just looking away or looking at the screen, or maybe you're on a Zoom call and you're looking at the images instead of the camera, which is typically up there, we'll see how Descript does in terms of the new eye contact feature. So let's take a look. And if you'd like to learn more about this and all the other cool features in Descript, be sure to join my new class starting on August 1st at discoverdescript.com. Thanks.